Hello my friends, this is curry that I have growing in my backyard, and what I did is I trimmed a branch off that was overgrown, and we're going to process it. These are the stripped leaves. Because the leaves are very small and they're going to shrink when they start drying, I have these screens cut. This will block the leaves from growing or going down below. Well, the moisture content in the curry leaves must have been pretty low. So this was on for about 6 hours and it's really dry. So next step, what we're going to do is put this into a bowl and crunch it by hand. Now I'm going to use my coffee grinder, and the reason I crushed this by hand was so that it would be a little more compact, because you can only fit a smaller amount in the grinder. And we keep repeating this until we get it all ground. Okay, after I ran it through one time, and this is a box of leaves that were dehydrated, I have this fine sieve. This came with my food mill. I'm going to run this through the sieve, and what didn't grind up, going to go back in the food mill. You can see there's some leaves that snuck through the first grinding. Put this in a quart jar and see how much we got. Okay, right there. That is powdered curry. That's it. Look at the color of that curry. Nice green color. This is fresh curry. Quite a bit in there. Almost a quart. Easy to make. The leaves have a relatively low moisture content, so it dries real quick. I dried it on a low heat with the dehydrator. As far as powdering the curry, a coffee grinder works great for small herbs like this. Makes it real quick, and to make the powder uniform size, get a flour sieve. Very easy process, and you got a nice batch of powdered curry. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.